Today I will show how to buy shares of Smartoptics Group ASA, the company listed as SMOP.OL on Euronext. Smartoptics develops fiber optic transmission equipment and optical modules for telecom networks. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. Always research and consider risks before investing. To buy SMOP.OL, you need a broker, and I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SMOP.OL to find Smartoptics. Select the matching Euronext listing to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review the company description and the price chart to confirm details. Verify the page shows Smartoptics Group ASA on Euronext with ticker SMOP.OL before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, choose any order options, review the order, and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. If your account lacks funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you wish to explore the platform.